You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Ford Expedition. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Approach every adventure from a position of strength in this bold and versatile Expedition. With a spacious interior, exceptional cargo capacity, state-of-the-art infotainment system, and impressive towing capacity, this full-size SUV has your back in luxurious style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated front seat, remote engine start, premium sound system. Fill this full-size, full-strength, up-for-anything luxury hauler with your friends and family, and let the good times roll. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.